Hello, good evening, my friends. Welcome back to the kitchen. Good to be with you all. Our opening 3 words tonight: wash your hands. So I hope everyone is doing well. Happy winter. The end of January and 2020. It's a beautiful thing. Tonight, we're having a beautiful salad. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. 4 times tonight. And the theme is foods that help us to thrive in the middle of winter. So, yes, you can eat foods that are raw. You can eat foods that are light, and yet find a way to present them, to prepare them in a manner that makes them more hearty and more warming for the system. So we have the best of all worlds. We have the live food energy, the living enzymes, all of the nutrients, the water-soluble nutrients that don't get wasted away by when we don't cook them. And yet we've got a little special element we're going to add to give that warming, heating energy. And we're also going to talk about benefit that this can have on other systems in the body. So we have here baby arugula, baby spinach, baby tatsoi, baby bok choy, baby red, and baby green chard. We've got some sweet red and orange peppers. We've got some carrot, and we've got organic Campari tomatoes. Of course, parsley. Everything is washed, everything is organic, we know that. I'm going to say it anyway. So we put some parsley in there. And now, let's come over here for a second. Put a little spoon. I'll show you what we're going to add to our salad. We're going to have a little bit of the raw and the cooked. We've got organic shiitake mushrooms simmered in an herbal broth that I made with ginger, fennel, fenugreek, paprika, and cayenne. So we've got these nice warming herbs that have good digestive benefit. Of course, we've got ginger, pro-digestive, pro-immune. Okay, we've got shiitake mushrooms. And all this broth, can you see it? Trust me, there's a lot of broth in there. Let me show you. Okay, that goes in a mug, and I'm going to be drinking that, in fact. Put that in here now. Show you. Oh yeah. So that's like a... Oh, there's also lemon in here. So it's like a lemon, ginger, shiitake, cayenne tonic. Really great. Okay. So put a little digestive herbs on top of the salad. Fennel. And put a little oregano, which is good for the digestion, but also has an antimicrobial effect and an anti-inflammatory effect for the respiratory system. Winter. Coughs, colds, dry heat, closed-in spaces. Some lemon. All this talk about viruses and bacteria and microbes and all these things that if we make wise choices we can coexist with and not get attacked by. They just kind of coax them away from our bodies. Nice lemon, great for the liver. imparts the magnetic negative ions. And here we have our seed blend. This is a combination of organic sprouted sunflower seeds and organic black seed, Nigella sativa, kind of in the cumin fennel family. Put that in there. Let's have a little bit of coarse sea salt. Not too much. There we go. All of the fatty acids, all of the fat in tonight's salad will be coming from the seeds. So it's a whole form. No extracted oils, no extracted fats. It stays suspended in its natural cellular matrix so that we get anti-inflammatory effects, and we don't get the effect of inhibiting flow-mediated dilation. So it keeps the blood vessels flowing smoothly. Now in here, in our salad that we made after we washed our hands, and this is a hand washing season. Wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands. When you're out in the world, wear your sunglasses or your anti-glare glasses. Just protect the mucous membranes of your eyes. And if you're in a closed-in space, cover your mouth, cover your nose. There are masks you can use if you're concerned about anything epidemiological, anything transmissible. We have the foods that work together. We have the lifestyle habits that work together. We have the thinking practices and the living life culturing habits, the natural hygiene habits, that physical culture habits that work together so that we can thrive and not have cold bodies, not have bodies hampered by indigestion because we're just eating really heavy, thick foods that we're craving in the cold weather but actually weigh us down and make us weaker, and protect us from the microbes and the things we can come in contact with out in the world. We want foods that give us a pro-immune, pro-digestive, anti-inflammatory, antioxidative, pro-circulatory effect. So we have in here our greens, of course, chlorophyll, antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. We have our carrot, beta-carotene. We have our mushrooms, beta-glucans and lentinous compounds. We have our tomatoes and our peppers, potassium, magnesium, vitamin C, bioflavonoids. We've got our lemon, potassium, vitamin C, negative ions, organic acids for flow-mediated dilation. We've got our seeds for amino acids and fatty acids, and pro-immune antimicrobial effects. A little bit of high-quality sea salt for electrolytes. We have our pro-digestive, anti-inflammatory, pro-immune herbs. And we have practices of physical harmony and of gratitude and of appreciation for the foods that nourish us, for the relationships that nourish us, for the spirit that nourishes us. And yes, we have cayenne pepper. I just tasted it. Good for the immune system, good for the nervous system, good for the circulatory system, good for the digestive system. So, thrive, live, be grateful, be gracious, be generous, be strong, be faithful, be calm, be joyous, be healthy, be blessed, be together, love one another. Speaking of love one another, I am, of course, going to mention all of my great friends at Hudson Healing Arts. Tune in to our website and check us out on Instagram and on Facebook, Hudson Healing Arts, hudsonhealingarts.com. And you'll be getting lots of great information and suggestions from all our practitioners on how to be well, how to live well, how to be healthy, how to nourish others to do the same. So, we'll see you again. Let's give this a little try. Whoa, that's a big bite. Here we go. That's really nice. Very fresh, yet not frigid, warming. You can leave your greens at room temperature for a while, and you won't get too cold from them. Put a little warm vegetable in there as well. Okay, we'll see you real soon. Stay healthy, stay well. Peace. Until next time.